Connect more with Cable Matters products. Transform your USB-C port into a multi-port adapter with host charging, Ethernet networking, HD VGA video, and dual USB 3.0 ports. Directly connect your USB-C port to a display with VGA. Mirror or extend your screen with HD 1080p at 60Hz video support. Easily back up important files over a wired Ethernet network with better reliability and security than a wireless connection. Connect a USB wireless mouse dongle or transfer files from a USB-A flash drive when your computer only has USB-C. Power and charge your laptop while transferring files and streaming video over an Ethernet network. Beautifully designed and carefully engineered to be powerful, versatile, affordable, and easy to use. Compatible with computers, laptops, and smartphones that support video over USB-C. Consult our knowledge base for technical support or send us an email for more information.